Welcome to my channel Pulkit Pedia Step by Step Learning. So today we are going to discuss about Python data type dictionary and its operations. So what is dictionary? Dictionary, basically you have used English dictionary in your life. So it is like all the words are unique there, and then on the basis of a particular word, or you can call it as a key, you will get the value means its meaning or definition. Same way, dictionary is a collection of key value pairs, multiple key value pairs. It's in ordered form, it can be changeable, and it will not allow duplicates. Like key will be unique, it will not allow duplicates. How do we define a dictionary? You have to provide a curly braces. In that you can define a key and colon value. So here country is the key, colon India is the value. Same way state is the key, colon Delhi is the value. So this is the simple way of defining a dictionary. I'll share you other operations of the dictionary also. Just move to spider. Here you can see I define a dictionary with the key value pairs, like for example country key India value, state 1 key Delhi value, state 2 key Mumbai value. Okay, if I give this state as 1 and save it, you can see it's giving me an error. The dictionary key state 1 repeated with different values, so it cannot have multiple values. Okay, so it will be unique value. So now I'd like some other variables. I'd just given a print function and passing this dictionary variable. Let's print it out. So here you can see that complete dictionary will be printed. Country India, state 1 Delhi, state 2 Mumbai. Now if you want to know any value of a particular key, then you can pass in the dictionary in square brackets particular key. So like we had passed here country, so you can see India value has come out. So now suppose you want to know all the values in the dictionary. So there is a function, inbuilt function dictionary dot values. Okay, so you will just print it. It will print all the values available into the dictionary. Similar way, if you want to know all the keys in the dictionary, then you can just use the dot key function, keys function. You will get to know all the keys available in the dictionary. And suppose you want to know all the key value pairs in the dictionary, so you can call the items function. So it will print all the key value like country India, state 1 Delhi, state 2 Mumbai. Now suppose you want to remove something from the dictionary, so you just need to use a pop function and pass the key of it. And after this I had printed out in the next line the dictionary. So you can see here country India, state 1 Delhi is mentioned, state 2 Mumbai is removed. Okay, same way how to add into the dictionary. So I just mentioned that dictionary in square brackets you can mention the key and equal to, you can assign a value to it and then print the dictionary. You can see that state 3 Chennai is added in the end of the dictionary. Country India, state 1 Delhi, state 3 Chennai. So Chennai has been added in the dictionary. So to quick recap, so we have dictionary consists of key value pairs and it will not allow duplicate keys, and we can means we can do various operation on it, like we can get all the values, all the keys, all the items, group of keys and values. We can remove it, we can add it, anything in the dictionary. So thanks for watching. Stay connected, keep learning. Thank you.